Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have some cases from VRS Design to review, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I have some cases from VRS Design to review for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You decided to pick it up and you're looking for some cases for that protection, or you just like collecting cases like I do. These two cases that I have are really good. VRS Designs have been stepping up their game in cases. I love the ones they made for the Fold 3, so I decided to reach out to them and see if they could send me some for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and they said yes. So they sent me out these two cases, so I gotta give them a big shout out. They sent me out two of the Terra cases, one in black and then one in green. And then this is their Terra series in crystal clear. So yeah, two separate cases, two separate packaging. Let's start with the Terra crystal case in the clear. I think you can get the crystal in a different color too, besides clear. Again, nice packaging from them. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. It does have tape on here. All right, so I got the tape off of there. I was wondering why it wasn't opening. Now it does say, note, this case is not scratched. Peel off the skin, front and the back. So we'll definitely do that also, but this is a nice case. I like that grip. Let me get this plastic off. I wish they had a little pull tab, but they don't. All right, so I was able to get the plastic off. This will show off the beauty of your phone. The first thing I noticed was these grips on the side. I love that. That gives you the extra grip. Then the second thing I noticed was that branding there, the VRS Design branding. But this back is a hard plastic. Let's see how it fits. Ooh, look at that. It shows off the beauty of your device. The cutouts look good. Do you get lip action? Yes, you do. Look, you get a lot of lip action on that top. Also the bottom. Now the sides come up pretty much flat with that display too. And I don't know if y'all seen that little design here too, a little branding there. The camera cutouts. You definitely get the protection around the camera cutouts. Like I said, the bottom looks good, everything lines up. How easy is it to get the pen? They give you enough room at the bottom too to get the pen out. I like that little cutout for the camera, for the pen. The microphone at the top. This one doesn't add much bulk, but the power button is easy to press. Man, I don't think you can go wrong with these cases. And it feels nice and easy to press. Tactile, I guess, is the word that all of us YouTubers use for the buttons. But the main thing is the grip here. Like, you can feel it gives you just the extra grip. And it shows off the beauty of your phone. So if you have the black, the white one, the graphite, it will show off the beauty of your phone, or the burgundy. What y'all think? I like this case. Can your wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. No problem wireless charging. One other thing, how does it fit? My screen is bright on this thing. Let's see. It's kind of loose at the bottom and the top, I'm not gonna lie. But it doesn't, it comes back to it. The sides are there. Look, they could definitely tighten up that a little bit more too. But overall, it's not bad. It's not, let's see how hard it is to get off. So it's not just gonna come off, but they definitely could tighten up the design a little bit. But overall, I still like the grip on the sides. All right, so this was the clear. Let me move on to like the other one, the black one or the green. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the black one here. Same packaging type thing. I do like this packaging. I like that plastic. Further advanced protection. But these cases are nice. Let's see what you get in the box. You get this. You do get this little card here. Not bad. You can scan that QR code. But this case here gives you that extra protection too. I do like the feel of that back. It does have VRS design. Some little fake screws down here and there. Little carbon fiber design too. Look at that camera cutout. It's like a two-piece case too. In the inside, you have Terra guard. Main thing, how does it fit? So do you get lip action? Yes, you do. And this one comes over the display. You can see here it comes over the display, which is good. The camera cutouts are recessed, so you get a lot of camera protection there too. I do love how the sides are that same rib pattern from the clear. The power button is nice and big too. The cutouts at the bottom line up. Now look, this has a little bit more room. So you're not gonna hit that, but it gives you a lot more room. It really open down here, so you shouldn't have any problem getting that pen out. The cutout at the top looks good too. Let's see, the power button, nice and easy to find, and it's easy to press. Volume rockers work easy. Now this one does add a little bit more bulk to your phone, but like I said, you're really not gonna worry about if you drop it, you know, not too high. I wouldn't worry about really breaking my phone with this case on there. I do like that design though. Now let's check out the green one and just see how that one looks too. But before I do that, I almost forgot. How does it fit? See, this one fits a little bit more snug, especially on the sides too. A little loose still against around the power button, but I mean the top and bottom definitely fits. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem, but let's find out. No problem wireless charging. Let's just take a quick look at the green one. How does it look on the phone? All right, so this is the green one. Not bad. So if you have the burgundy color, this is how it will look. Do you like that green color? Or do you like the black one? Or are you more of a clear? Y'all let me know in the comments. I like the black one the most, but I do like showing off the beauty of my phone once in a while. Like I said, if you want to pick up these cases, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely get them from Amazon. Check them out. Doesn't matter what country you're in, the link will bring you to your Amazon country that you live in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you know when I'm dropping my next video on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.